Hey guys, Gareth here. I'm just going to quickly show you a little mobility flow, so to speak. I'm just going to link a few moves together to show you how that kind of thing's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from long lunge into, say, a pigeon. Then we're going to go into 90-90. We're going to extend up, and then we're going to go into the long lunge on the other side. So 4 or 5 moves, just to show you, what the aim of a general mobility training session should look like, or what the kind of flow in the move should look like. So let's start off first of all in a nice long lunge. So we're here. Everything's engaged. Everything's at the end of our range of motion. We're going to drop the knee. Then you're going to control on the way down into your pigeon. So from here, forward bend, circles, thoracics, whatever you want. Then you're just going to come in to your 90-90. Again, from here, circles, forward bends, zenith rotations, world's your oyster. So that's 2 of the moves done already. We're then just going to close this 90-90 down. So, I call it 45-45. You're going to extend up through the hips, engaging the glutes. Then you're going to step forward again, tuck the toes, and extend up into the long lunge, ready to go on the opposite side. So in general, mobility training is full of things like that, little flows or linking of moves. Mobility training doesn't have to be, lying in a stretch or rolling on a ball or, God forbid, using a foam roller. What mobility should be, and a typical mobility session should kind of be almost like a strength and conditioning session. What you're doing is you're building strength in new ranges of motion. So you're creating the range and building strength in them. So as I say, just for a bit of fun, just pick 4 moves, see if you can find cool ways to link them or any ways that they naturally flow together.